Howdy y'all, this is my third attempt at Procreate. In this attempt, I just was playing with brushes a lot, and I discovered the nebula brush, and I don't know if you know, but making space art is one of my favorite things to do. So, it started out just experimenting with actually painting within the program, and then it turned into I want to draw a spaceship. So that's what this video is. It's just me experimenting some more with color and just brushes and whatnot, and it's a lot of fun to do. I love doing traditional art as well, but there's just some things I'm not capable of accomplishing. And with digital art, I can really accomplish some things that I never could before, such as glow and proper shadow. And, it's more forgiving than traditional art, because, you can add layers and then alter them and, just practice as much as you want to with the piece. So, yeah, that's what this space abduction video is here. And I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.